Hi guys. So if you guys seen this short or reel, so this is the video which I'm going to make this weekend, and I think it's not weekend, but it's on Monday. I'm shooting on Monday. That's fine. So what are we going to see in this video? This video is mainly about how to know which kind of LLM can fit your device. Like if you guys have a laptop with a normal GPU, normal CPU without GPU, and you can also run AI models, and if you guys have a laptop with high GPU, then also you can run pretty good models. So how to know which kind of models you can run? Before going into this video, you know where to follow. TechRex. To download this application, before going into this video, like what is the application? It's not an application, but it's a command line tool where we can just run it one command. Like we can just type LLMfit in command prompt and the tool gets to it work. So just open Chrome and search LLMfit. You can see there is a GitHub repo. If you want, I'll leave the link in the description as well. So just click this, and so I'm using Windows. If you guys are using Mac OS or Linux, you can just install it by using this one command in your terminal. And after that, if you want to install it in Windows, which I'm doing right now, just open your terminal. So here is my terminal. For installing LLMfit, you have to also install Rust. Rust is a programming language, and so we can just install it by downloading this executable file. And I already installed Rust in my system, so no problem with it. Just I'll copy this and then just paste it in here and start downloading. So the package got installed. So let's test this. Just type LLMfit in the terminal, and we'll have this beautiful command line interface. So we can see the model name here and the provider of that model and how many parameters it has, and what is the score by community, and what is the output. Like basically the output of, like, the performance of AI models will be measured in tokens per second. So if you get high tokens per second, means the model speed is very good, so it is giving output very faster. And how much memory it is taking, and what is the context length, and at which date it was uploaded, and is it a good fit for your device or not, and what is the use case of that model, or it is a chatting model, or it is a coding model, or it is a general chat model, like that. If you want to sort this based on tokens per second score or parameters or fit, you can just type, like, there is a command here, SFA, and for sorting we'll just click S, and you can see it is sorting using memory, and when I switch it, it is sorting using context, and then it's gonna sort with date, then use case, and then again score. So let's try to download one offline model. So based on, maybe let's go with fit. So what is a perfect fit? So I have this model. Let's You can go through that model using arrow keys up and down. And I have, yeah, let's download the chatting model. So here I have Qwen 3 4 billion model. I'll just click enter, then I can get more information about that model, like who is the provider and how many what is the context length, and in which runtime it can be. And now I'll open Llama Studio, LM Studio, sorry, not Llama Studio. So this is LM Studio. In this LM Studio, we can download different kinds of AI models which are offline. I already made that video. If you didn't see that video, just go and watch it. I'll leave that link in the I button over here, which is this video. After installing that LM Studio, you can just download any kind of model which is offline. So I'm just going for model search here by clicking this button, and just, which is Qwen 3. So according to my specifications of the device, like I have 13.6 GB available, and I also have a graphic card, 11.9 GB graphic card, which is available right now. So based on these parameters, it gave me which model will fit my device, so which model can run more efficiently. So I choose this model. You can choose any kind of model which is a perfect fit for your device. So then I'll just type Qwen 3 4 billion parameter instruct Qwen 3 4 billion instruct. Yeah, you can choose any kind of like Qwen 3 4 billion instruct, yeah, 2507. So I'll choose this, which is around 2.5 GB. I'll just download that model. You can also download different kinds of quantizations, where so the model got downloaded. Let's chat with this model. So I'll click use in new chat. We can adjust the context length based on your GPU. So you can see I have total maybe 12 GB graphic card. So by adjusting this context length, the usage of GPU will be increasing. Like it's so I just keep this as it is, and like maybe some amount, and just click load. And here you can see the model is getting loaded. Oh shit, oh yeah, the model is getting loaded. If you want to see what is happening in the back end, and the model is loading. So what will it do for loading that model? That means it will transfer the weights of that model. It will transfer that weights of that model to GPU. Like it will load the entire model into the graphic card for calculating. Like LLM is actually math calculations. Like it will perform a bunch of like a tons of calculations parallelly in GPU. So for better performance, so the model has to be loaded to the GPU entirely, so it can give the the output for our prompts better. So it's ready. Let's open new chat here, and let's ask a question like, what is quantization in LLMs? You can see I just so what is quantization in LLMs? So the model is getting started. Now it's gonna give the prompt based on our, it's gonna give the output based on our prompts. What the fuck? Wait, it's so slow. It's so slow. I don't want my model to be slow. I'll try one more model. Don't worry about it. It is slow because I have loaded and I have given like use my entire GPU when I'm loading this model. So this is how you install right kind of models in your system according to your specifications. So if you like this video, subscribe to TechRex. Thank you.